In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Drive backup from WhatsApp. If you've ever restored old chats you no longer need, or you simply want to free up cloud storage and tighten your privacy, removing your WhatsApp backup from Google Drive is a quick task. The key idea is that you're not deleting WhatsApp from your phone. You're just removing the backup that lives in your Google Drive account. You can do this on a phone or a computer, and the steps are the same. Open Google Drive in your browser by going to drivegoogle.com, or open the Google Drive app if that's more convenient. Before you proceed, make sure you're signed in to the same Google account that WhatsApp used for backups. If you have multiple Google accounts, double-check the profile in the top corner so you don't delete the wrong thing. Next, open the main menu. On desktop, that's the left sidebar. On mobile, tap the menu icon. Go to Storage, then open the Backups section. This area lists device and app backups tied to your account. Look for the entry named WhatsApp Messenger. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment to load or scroll. Some accounts have multiple device backups. Once you've found WhatsApp Messenger, select it to open the backup details. You'll see an option to delete backup. Go ahead and choose Delete, then confirm when prompted. That confirmation is important because after you agree, the backup is removed from Google Drive. Depending on your device, it may move briefly to trash or be deleted immediately. Either way, once it's gone, it can't be used to restore chats. A few important notes before we wrap up. Deleting this backup is permanent once it's finalized, so you won't be able to restore your chat history, media, or settings from that specific backup anymore. This action affects only the cloud backup stored in Google Drive. It does not erase your current conversations or media on your phone. Your WhatsApp app will continue to work exactly as before. Also keep in mind that WhatsApp can create a new backup in the future if automatic backups are still enabled in the app. If you prefer not to have a cloud backup going forward, you'll need to manage that within WhatsApp settings so it doesn't recreate one later. That's it. Open Google Drive, head to Storage and Backups, select WhatsApp Messenger, delete the backup, and confirm. With a few clicks, you've cleared space and taken control of your data.